Whenever any new employee joins, it's HR's responsibility to provide them unique employee ID to uniquely identify that employee within the organization. So HR needs to generate this employee ID by tracking the previously generated IDs, and on the base of that, they need to again generate a new employee ID in the sequence of that previous ID. So this is very much difficult for HR department to track each and every employee ID manually, and then they need to create a new ID. So to resolve these difficulties, we are having automatic employee ID generation feature in Zoho People. So for that, we need to navigate into employee information, from there employee ID, and here we have a option to enable and disable the generate employee ID based on configurations rules. If it's disabled, then we need to enable this feature, and we will be having we can have a multiple rule over here to generate our automatic and systematic employee ID. So based on if you are having more than one location and more than one department, and every employee IDs are based on that department, then you can add rule based on department, you can add rule based on your location. So each and every employee ID you can identify from here and can add a new rule from here. So here I am adding a rule name is department. So for example, I want to generate employee ID based on department. Rule code is department. Starting number for ID 1. So my employee ID will be start from 1, and placeholder digit is for example I'm putting over here, it's 3. So my employee ID will be start from 1, and its placeholder digit will be 3. It means it will be 001 on third digit. Prefix. So my employee ID will be prefixed based on year of joining, employment type, designation, department, whatever my employee ID, and the code or the unique number that I wanted to identify my employee ID. So for that I can prefix. So for example, I am prefixed with year of joining. For example, it's 2026. And again, it's prefixed with department. Yes, and it's, for example, again, I want to add hyphen or any custom value or anything for that. So I'm adding over here hyphen and save. If I want to add any suffix rule for my employee ID, for example, it's like the suffix with entity code or division code or custom value. So my employee ID will be end with this suffix code. So after adding prefix, suffix, and this is next is condition. Reuse starting number for each unique combination of prefix and suffix. So after enabling this option, I will be able to see how this employee ID code will be work. So for example, if I want to reuse for the starting number of the each unique code. So for example, if I have employee ID with the 1 to 10 number, and now my new joinee is joining to IT department, then this code will be start from IT 001. Then HR 001. So for each and every department and each and every conditions will be applied over here. So it will start from every department. It will not work as a continuous base, and will start with a first number. Reusing starting number of the beginning of a new year. So for example, every year I wanted to make it in a new employee ID start from the first digit, and I don't want to continuous for every year. So based on that, I need to enable this feature. So now if my employee join into HR department and code will be 001, then my Joining year will be the unique number 2026 HR-1, 2027 HR-1. So now for each and every department and for each and every new year, based on that, employee ID will be generated. So currently, I'm enabling all these features, and you will be able to view that my employee ID will be 2026 department hyphen 001. When it comes to the next year, so it will be like 2027, then department code, then 001. So each and every year, and for the every new department, the employee ID will be generated based on the department sequence and year sequence. It will not be in continuous sequence. So after doing that, if any if any other rules or any other conditions you want to apply for that employee ID, then you can again add new rule from here. So this is how employee ID works in Zoho People. Thank you.